Hey there, beauties! Today, we're diving into the world of blush brushes. Finding the perfect brush can be quite the task, but fear not, because I've got you covered. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, these top-notch brushes are sure to elevate your blush game to new heights. Let's dive in and discover the best blush brushes of this year. At number 1 position, we have Eforlike Blush Brush. Starting off our list is the Eforlike Blush Brush. Crafted with precision, this brush boasts a sleek design and ultra-soft bristles, making it a delight to use. Key features. The Eforlike Blush Brush features densely packed bristles that effortlessly pick up and distribute blush for a seamless application. Its ergonomic handle ensures optimal control, allowing for precise placement of product. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to streaky blush application. With the Eforlike Blush Brush, achieving a natural flush is a breeze. Simply dip the brush into your favorite blush powder, tap off any excess, and gently sweep onto the apples of your cheeks for a radiant glow. Usability. Suitable for both beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike, this brush blends like a dream, leaving you with a flawless finish every time. Its versatile design also makes it ideal for contouring and highlighting, adding dimension to your look with ease. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Eforlike Blush Brush is built to last. Say hello to your new go-to brush that will withstand the test of time, ensuring countless flawless makeup applications. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Real Techniques Blush Brush. Next up, we have the Real Techniques Blush Brush. Renowned for its professional-grade quality, this brush is a staple in many makeup artist kits. Key features. The Real Techniques Blush Brush features ultra-plush bristles that are specially designed to pick up and evenly distribute blush for a natural-looking flush. Its tapered design allows for seamless blending, effortlessly diffusing product for a soft focus finish. Benefits and usage. Achieve a lit-from-within glow with the Real Techniques Blush Brush. Simply swirl the brush into your favorite blush powder, tap off any excess, and sweep onto the apples of your cheeks for a youthful radiance. Usability. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of color or a more intense flush, this brush has you covered. Its versatile design makes it perfect for both powder and cream blush formulas, ensuring flawless application every time. Durability. Crafted with precision and care, the Real Techniques Blush Brush is built to withstand daily use. With proper care, this brush will be a staple in your makeup collection for years to come. The number 3 position is held by Falliny Blush Brush. Moving along, we have the Falliny Blush Brush. This luxurious brush combines style and functionality for a flawless makeup application experience. Key features. The Falliny Blush Brush features densely packed bristles that effortlessly pick up and deposit blush for a seamless finish. Its angled design allows for precise placement of product, ensuring a natural-looking flush every time. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to patchy blush applications. With the Falliny Blush Brush, achieving a radiant glow is easier than ever. Simply swirl the brush into your favorite blush powder, tap off any excess, and sweep onto the apples of your cheeks for a youthful flush. Usability. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, this brush is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for achieving a variety of blush looks, from soft and subtle to bold and dramatic. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, the Falliny Blush Brush is built to last. Say hello to a brush that will withstand the test of time, ensuring countless flawless makeup applications. Next, at number 4, we have EcoTools Blush Brush. Next up, we have the EcoTools Blush Brush. Known for their eco-friendly ethos, EcoTools delivers a brush that's not only high quality, but also environmentally conscious. Key features. The EcoTools Blush Brush features incredibly soft, cruelty-free bristles that seamlessly blend blush for a natural-looking finish. Its bamboo handle is lightweight and ergonomic, providing optimal control for effortless application. Benefits and usage. Enhance your natural beauty with the EcoTools Blush Brush. Simply swirl the brush into your favorite blush powder, tap off any excess, and sweep onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy, radiant glow. Usability. Perfect for both powder and cream blush formulas, this brush is a versatile addition to any makeup collection. Its tapered design allows for precise application, while its plush bristles ensure a seamless blend every time. Durability. Crafted with sustainability in mind, the EcoTools Blush Brush is designed to last. From its bamboo handle to its cruelty-free bristles, this brush is a guilt-free indulgence that you can feel good about using. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Beauty Junkees Blush Brush. Last but certainly not least, we have the Beauty Junkees Blush Brush. With its professional-grade quality and affordable price point, this brush is a must-have for beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Key features. The Beauty Junkees Blush Brush features densely packed bristles that effortlessly pick up and deposit blush for a seamless finish. Its tapered design allows for precise placement of product, ensuring a natural-looking flush every time. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to dull, flat cheeks! With the Beauty Junkees Blush Brush, achieving a radiant glow is easier than ever. Simply swirl the brush into your favorite blush powder, tap off any excess, and sweep onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of color. Usability. Perfect for both beginners and experienced makeup artists, this brush is incredibly versatile. Its user-friendly design makes it ideal for achieving a variety of blush looks, from subtle and soft to bold and vibrant. Durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Beauty Junkees Blush Brush is built to last. Say hello to a brush that will withstand the test of time, ensuring countless flawless makeup applications. And there you have it, beauties! The best blush brushes of 2024, guaranteed to take your makeup game to the next level. Which brush are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!